Everyone wants to be rich. But most people are tired. Tired of advice that says, just invest big, or start 3 businesses, or wake up at 4 a.m. every day. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by money advice, pause for a second and nod your head. You're not alone. And if this already sounds like your life, stay with me till the end. Most people aren't broke because they're lazy. They're broke because they're exhausted. Type relate in the comments if that sentence hit home. So instead of talking about big money moves, let's talk about tiny money habits. The kind you can do even on a bad day. The kind that don't change your life overnight, but quietly change it forever. If you want money advice that actually fits real life, keep watching. You don't need to do all of these. Pick one. Stick with it. Save this or screenshot it so you can come back later. Most money advice fails because it asks for too much, too fast. Save half your income. Invest like a pro. Cut everything fun from your life. Be honest, how many times have you tried that and quit? That's not realistic. Real wealth is built in boring moments. Small decisions you repeat when no one is watching. If you agree, tap like button so more people see this. Here are a few tiny money habits that actually work. Listen closely. One of these could change how you handle money forever. 1. Track your money once a day, for 1 minute. Not budgeting for hours. Not spreadsheets that scare you. Just open a notes app or a simple money app and write down what you spent today. That's it. When you do this, something strange happens. You start thinking twice before spending. Not because someone told you to, but because you're aware. Awareness is the first step to control. And control is the first step to wealth. Try this tonight and comment done when you do. 2. Pay yourself first, even if it's a small amount. People say, I'll save when I earn more. That day rarely comes. Instead, save first. Even if it's a tiny amount. $1. The cost of a snack. The amount doesn't matter at the beginning. The habit does. Saving first teaches your brain that you come before expenses. Over time, the amount grows naturally. If you've never done this before, start today and thank yourself later. 3. Increase your income before you stress about investing. A lot of people want to invest when they're barely earning. That creates pressure. Instead, ask yourself, how can I earn a little more? Not millions. Just a little. 1 new skill. 1 extra client. 1 small side hustle. Tiny income increases, repeated over time, beat complex strategies you never stick to. Comment income if you're focusing on earning more this year. 4. Wait 24 hours before buying non-essential things. This habit alone can save you serious money. When you want to buy something you don't need, pause. Wait 1 day. Most of the time, the urge disappears. If it doesn't, and you still want it after 24 hours, you'll buy it with less regret. If you've ever regretted a purchase, this habit is for you. 5. Automate boring money decisions. If you rely on motivation, you'll fail. Motivation comes and goes. So automate what you can. Automatic savings. Automatic bill payments. When money moves without effort, you stop fighting yourself every month. Rich people remove friction. Poor people rely on willpower. Set up just 1 automation this week. 6. Learn something about money for 5 minutes a day. Not hours. Not complicated theories. 5 minutes. Read a short post. Watch a short video. Learn 1 idea. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know more than yesterday. Follow for more simple money lessons like this. 7. Protect your money from lifestyle creep. You earn more, so you spend more. New phone. Better clothes. More eating out. It feels normal. Here's the habit. When your income increases, upgrade your savings first, not your lifestyle. You can still enjoy life. Just don't let every raise disappear. Share this with someone who just got a raise. Now let me be honest. None of these habits will make you rich this year. They won't impress anyone. They won't go viral. But they work. They work because they're small. They work because they fit into real life. They work because you can do them even when you're tired. Wealth is not built in loud moments. It's built in quiet routines. If this message helped you, like this so it reaches more people. Before you go, ask yourself this. Which tiny money habit have you been ignoring that could change your future? Pick one. Start today. And if you want more real, no-stress money content, subscribe and stay with the channel.